Open the gates, come and see a garden full of mystery. Birds are singing, bees go buzz. Let's explore, just you and us.
Bubbles floating in the air, catch them if you really dare. Pop them high and pop them low, watch them sparkle as they go.
Little ants march one by one, spiders spinning just for fun. Ladybugs and beetles too, nature's friends are here for you.
Pick a flower, hold it tight, run and jump with all your might. Colors flying everywhere, laughter floating in the air.
Shh! We found a secret place, hidden deep in garden space. Climb inside and you will see a cozy fort for you and me.
March along our garden band, music playing hand in hand. Sing it loud and clap your feet, garden days are oh so sweet.
Bye bye garden, time to rest. You're the place we love the best. We'll be back another day. Hip hip hooray, hooray, hooray.